I have here a wired microphone. Gonna go ahead and open the box. Gonna take out all the pieces and we're gonna see how this is. Looks like we have a wind guard. Here is the cable and the microphone itself. And then there is a little instruction booklet. So it comes with a 19-foot XLR to 1/4 inch cable, and the XLR end is just going to plug into the bottom of the microphone. There's no batteries or anything required. It's going to get everything it needs through the cable, and then it also has this foam windscreen. So we're going to go ahead and undo this cable, and we're going to test this out with a speaker system. Okay, so I've gone ahead and got a little speaker that I can test this microphone through, and again, you can put on the windscreen if you want to. And then when you're ready to start using it, you can just talk into the microphone and you can see it works really well and it's really convenient. There are no batteries needed with this. It's getting all of the power and connection through just this wire, which makes it really nice so you don't drain batteries constantly. And then it works really good. So this microphone also has an on-off switch, and you can see right now nothing is going through it, but as soon as I flip the switch, you can see it starts working. So that's nice and convenient. So when you're done talking, you can turn off the switch, and then you won't get feedback or anything like that when you're not needing it. And also, if you're going to be talking outside where there's possible wind, you're going to want to go ahead and put on the windscreen, and you can see it works just as well talking into it that way. But this way, with windy conditions, you're not going to get all that extra noise of the wind will be blocked by the foam windscreen. So I really like this microphone. It is very high quality, and it comes with everything you need to be able to use it. It comes with the windscreen, comes with the cord. I really like the fact that this cord is nice and long. It's 19 feet long, and then it also has the connection for the microphone, which is just the standard XLR, so you can use just a standard microphone cord if you have something like that, or you can use the included one that has the XLR to the 1/4 inch jack. So it is really nice and convenient, and I would highly recommend it to anybody that likes to do karaoke or just has their own system and they need a high quality microphone.